रजनीश जी, आप अपना परिचय दीजिए और
समय
वो परिचय दीजिए जो हम डेट में ना देते हैं। डेट के अलावा, डेट तो हमारे पास है तो हम जानते हैं आपके बारे में, उसके अलावा
So my name is Rajneesh Dixit.
कुछ भी अपने बारे में बताइए, क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीज़ें तो इसमें है लेकिन जीवन का बहुत डायमेंशन है।
So my name is Rajneesh Dixit. I belong to Balia, Uttar Pradesh. I have prepared for medical examination for 2 years. I have worked in some NGOs named Sada Foundation. I used to teach to the students of the poor child of the villages. We used to go in the suburbs of city Lucknow. Apart from it, I used to play cricket when I was small. I have played at district level. I have played basketball at my school.
ठीक है, आप पीपीएफओ के लिए आए हैं जबकि आप एमएससी जूलॉजी से किए हुए हैं, बीएड किए हुए हैं। इतनी ज़्यादा मतलब क्लियरिटी आपके लाइफ में नहीं रही है क्या? आपने एमएससी जूलॉजी से किया, फिर बीएड किया पढ़ाने के लिए, फिर पीपीएफओ में आ रहे हैं। इस चीज़ का आंसर आप भोजपुरी में, इस चीज़ का आंसर आप भोजपुरी में।
सर पहले हम अपन बीएससी कंप्लीट की 2013 में। उसके बाद से क्योंकि घर की फाइनेंशियल स्थिति कुछ खराब रही तो हम अपन पढ़ाई स्टार्ट कर दिए। उससे कुछ पैसा इकट्ठा करके, क्योंकि हम अच्छा स्कूल ना ज्वाइन कर सकते थे क्योंकि हमारे के बीएड की डिग्री ना रही, तो फिर हम एमएससी करेंगे, उसके बाद बीएड करेंगे और उसके बाद से हम अपन परीक्षा की तैयारी करते हैं।
आप खुद को जस्टिफाई समझ रहे हैं। आपने कहा कि आपके पास पैसा कम था, फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम की इस वजह से आपने पढ़ाना शुरू किया। बीएड इसलिए आपने किया क्योंकि बिना बीएड के आप बेहतर कॉलेज में, स्कूल में पढ़ा नहीं सकते। अब तो आपके पास बीएड है तो आप अच्छे कॉलेज में पढ़ाइए, अच्छे स्कूल में पढ़ाइए, फिर आप पीपीएफओ में।
सर पीपीएफओ होने के being in a PFO officer, the first thing is I can use my all the capacity and capability.
नहीं, आप कैपेसिटी को छोड़ दीजिए, आपका मेन मोटो ही था पढ़ाना, इसलिए आपने एमएससी किया, ट्यूशन पढ़ाया, बीएड किया। सच मीन्स कि आप टीचर बनना चाहते हैं, ये आपकी काबिलियत है टीचर, और उसके बाद आप फिर तैयारी करने लगते हैं किसी एग्जाम गवर्नमेंट सर्विस की। आप टीचर की भी तो तैयारी कर सकते हैं, टीचर भी बन सकते हैं।
At the same time, I am also preparing for the teacher examination also.
So why?
Sir, job security, BSc job.
Now you are right. Okay. Who is the father of zoology?
Sorry, sir. I couldn't hear you.
What is the? You are from Balia. Is your education is in Unnao, Sitapur, Siddharthnagar? Why not in Balia?
Sir, in Balia, first of all, we lack the important education institution in Balia. We have got an university in 2016 itself. So there's a lack of education institution, I can say. And
I think in education sector, Balia is better than Siddharthnagar.
of course, Siddharthnagar is a college. I got it from the counseling of my BEd result. I got that college allotted. That's why I did my BEd from there.
And now it is not in.
Actually, I used to live in Kanpur. From there, I did my BSc. So I got that college from the counseling of the Kanpur University. I got that college allotted. It's just 30 kilometers from Kanpur, from where I have done my MSc.
Do you know about Rajni School also?
Yes, sir.
Can you say you have any similarity with also?
Sir, I also believe in the openness which he used to believe. I also believe in gender equality, which he used to believe.
Openness. Which type of MSc you want to write?
Means there should be no difference on the thing of caste, creed and religion.
Caste?
Creed and religion. All people should be treated equally.
Also talk about caste and religion.
Also, he means to say that there should be a single universal religion, or there should be openness between people.
What is Abrahamic religion?
So, sir.
Okay. What is difference between endemic and pandemic?
First, sir.
Do you know about Nobel Prize?
Yes, sir.
कितने सेक्टर में दिया जाता है? कितने सब्जेक्ट्स?
Sir, I'm not able to recall it, but roughly I have an idea. Will government will I will say. It's in 5 or 6 sectors.
Okay. कौन कौन से?
Medicine, say, medicine,
अच्छा, 3 नाम बता दीजिए जो इंडियन जिन्होंने नोबेल प्राइज जीता।
Rabindranath Tagore. So I have to study it.
अच्छा, साइंस में दिया जाता है नोबेल प्राइज,
Yes, sir.
मेडिकल में दिया जाता है, फिजिक्स में दिया जाता है, केमिस्ट्री में दिया जाता है, बायोलॉजी, जूलॉजी इन सब में नहीं दिया जाता, मेडिकल में दिया जाता है, मैथ में भी नहीं दिया जाता है, ऐसा क्यों? तो नहीं, ठीक है। आप बलिया से हैं, तो क्या उत्तर प्रदेश को डिवाइड किया जाना चाहिए 4 भाग में?
As far as I believe, it should be divided in 4 parts. So that's if we can see, so Uttar Pradesh, the cities which are near to Delhi, NCR, they are very developed. Even the city of Lucknow is also developed, being a capital. Whereas the city of the so-called Purvanchal or Bundelkhand is not so developed. If there will be a separate state, at least the capital will develop into some good city, and there will be appropriate chances. And
ये
there,
तो अभी भी कर सकते हैं। अब आप जो बोल रहे थे वो वेस्टर्न पार्ट को हमारे तो जो एनसीआर के डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स हैं वहाँ से हमें ज़्यादा टैक्स कलेक्शन होता है और ये जरूरी नहीं है कि उसका इन्वेस्टमेंट यहीं पे करें, वो तो हमारे पूर्वांचल को भी जाता है, बुंदेलखंड
so
को
maybe
भी जाता है।
if they make Purvanchal a different state, so the state will give less taxes, so that we can get the special grant from the government of India.
बिहार को तो नहीं मिलता है, पूर्वांचल को कैसे मिलेगा?
This is because
स्पेशल ग्रांट कैसे मिलेगा, उसके क्या प्रोविजन होता है?
so
या कुछ बोल रहे हैं ना स्पेशल ग्रांट से?
so that's also due to the social and economic condition of the state.
करेक्ट सर,
I'm not sure.
शुरू नहीं है तो आप कैसे करें? अच्छा, सपोज आप एक एफओ में आ रहे हो, आपके पास पैन कार्ड है,
Yes.
आधार कार्ड है, इन दोनों में कुछ नंबर्स होते हैं, वो क्या इंडिकेट करते हैं?
So Aadhaar card is basically the 12-digit numbers. PAN card, sir, that is the
इंडिकेट क्या करता है? अगर आप 12 नंबर बोल रहे हैं तो 12 नंबर किसको इंडिकेट करता है?
personal identification number.
ऐसे
Only one for one person.
उसमें जो नंबर्स हैं वो रेंडमली दिए गए हैं या उसके कुछ प्रोसेस?
So,
अच्छा, आरटीजीएस क्या होता है?
sir, real time gross settlement.
आरटीजीएस और एनईएफटी क्या डिफरेंस है?
So NEFT, RTGS is for the amount above 2 lakhs, whereas NEFT is for the amount below 2 lakhs, and RTGS is a real time settlement. It happens at the time, whereas the NEFT takes time. It needs a proper channel from RBI, and then it got credited to the other people account.
राजेश दीक्षित जी, आपका जो हॉबी है, एक ट्रैवलिंग और दूसरा गाड़ी राइडिंग, ठीक है?
ट्रैवलिंग
आप किस तरह ट्रैवलिंग पसंद करते हैं?
सर मोस्टली सोलो ट्रैवलिंग, ट्रैवलिंग अलोन।
और मोस्टली आप क्यों इसको पसंद करते हैं?
I just love visiting new places, meeting new people. And so one thing I've seen in India, just after every 15 or 100 kilometers, the language and things, everything changes. I just want to explore all those things.
तो क्या आप और भी बहुत सारे लैंग्वेज सीखे हैं? जो लैंग्वेज की बात कर रहे हैं, जो 100 किलोमीटर के बाद अगर चेंज जाते हैं, तो क्या आप और भी लैंग्वेज जानते हैं क्या?
No, sir.
तो फिर इसका क्या रोल है?
It's not about the language itself, it's meeting new people, different type of food habitats.
क्यों मिलना चाहते हैं उसमें?
Just to socialize, social interaction.
मतलब क्या सीखना चाहते हैं उससे? कुछ तो इंटरेस्ट होगा उनमें, कुछ तो उससे जानना चाहते होंगे। ऐसा काफ़ी जो आपका माइंड सर्च करता होगा, जिसके चलते आप ट्रैवलिंग कर रहे हैं, तो माइंड सर्च क्या कर रहा है?
Just I have the curiosity how people, different people of different places, how they live, and I just like visiting places, seeing the beauty of the place, and so I can just spend my time in.
नहीं, आपका जो बैकग्राउंड है साइंस से है, ठीक है, तो फिर ये ट्रैवलिंग में आप क्या साइंस ढूंढते हैं?
So basically, so
अगर मान लें कि हम कहीं भी जा रहे हैं, सपोज आपको कहीं घूमने की इच्छा हो रही है, तब कुछ तो आपको पसंद होगा, उस चीज़ों को देखते होंगे या उस चीज़ को अच्छा लगता होगा, तो क्या है जिसके पीछे आप दौड़ रहे हैं?
there's a traveling places and seeing the beauty of the place.
चलिए, अभी तक आप कहाँ मतलब कि इस तरह ट्रैवलिंग किए हैं?
So recently sir, I just went to Munsiari in Uttarakhand.
कहाँ पर?
Munsiari.
क्या है उसके बारे में कुछ बताएं?
It's in district in the Pithoragarh. It's in Panchayat in the Pithoragarh district of Uttarakhand, and it's the base of the. It's the very famous for trekking and camping. It's the base of the Milam Glacier. Lulu people go to Milam Glacier. It's a base camp for them. Apart from this, it is also known as City of Snow, and it has some a famous temple is there.
तो ट्रैवलिंग का कोई मोटो आपका होता है या फिर कहीं मतलब इससे होता है कि कोई रिलीजियस प्लेस पे जा रहा है या कुछ रैंडमली कहीं भी निकल गए?
तो कहीं भी निकल गए।
तो ऐसा और कुछ होता है जो दूसरे फील्ड्स और रिलीजियस में हो जहाँ पर घूमने गए हो?
तो आफ्टर कोविड से माई फर्स्ट वीक।
मीन्स कि 2021 में कहीं घूमोगे क्या? और राइटिंग में क्या लिखते हैं? डेली राइटिंग में?
Writing is just first of all, apart from the to-do list, I write my daily feeling and expression, and also I write those things which I notice on the road. Like so recently when I was traveling to Kanpur, I saw an accident. So I just noted down, pin it down, what happened, what rules are there, people are not helping. So what are the things over there? These things also I.
ये डायरी राइटिंग का आपका लाइफ में क्या रोल है?
So I diary writing, so I treat diary as my friend. I just wrote all those things which I am not able to express to other people or not able to share with other people.
डायरी राइटिंग अपने लिए करते हैं या दूसरे के लिए करते हैं?
For myself.
एक्चुअली एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए?
So express it for myself only. The things which I can't share to somebody else.
Rajneesh ji, tell me your 5 weaknesses.
5 weaknesses. So I am quite emotional. Not able to find more weaknesses.
Only one weakness is here. Okay, tell me any instance where this weaknesses might have paid a lot price.
So recently, sir, I just told you I have this habit of this pen out some. Recently, I was going to Kanpur and I just saw a road accident. No people were helping, so I just stopped there and I called the ambulance. I went to the police. I went to the hospital. So they questioned me a lot of things. Which car hit him and to tell me the name. After that, I told him that there are regulations from the government that you can't ask me all these things from me. Then I have to call my friend and he was a lawyer. He talked to them. Then they left me.
Okay.
So because of
You have not defended them.
yes, sir.
You have not defended them.
I'm not defending.
You have not defended them. Rather, you have taken the help of the friend.
So I have defended myself, but they are not listening.
Okay. Suppose you are appointed as an enforcement officer, and one woman has come to your office and sees that she is asking you about to clear her PF and all those things which you have to pay after retirement. You were adamant on certain points which you might have noticed in her file, but she has said that if you won't clear, she will basically allege certain kind of molestation or another kind of, you can say, charges against you. What will you do?
So first of all, I will report to my senior officers and I will be adamant on the points. And I will just try to find out what help I can do. So what help I can do to her.
And suppose a senior, suppose after the observation of your senior, it has been seen that you are also involved in that incident. Means the charges which she has posed against you, all the charges are correct. Then what will you do?
So I will try to prove that I am not involved in any of those things.
With whom you are emotionally close in your family?
It's my father.
Father. Why?
So from the starting, he used to give me guidance.
Not towards the mother.
My mother is home.
Okay. We are going high. You have studied geology, no? Okay. Geology is a subject which talks about the human evolution, isn't it? Will you tell me the brief history of human evolution since the very beginning?
I have to study about this.
What?
I have to study about this.
Okay, you have to study about this. Okay. How this subject can be helpful in EPFO? Because there is no role of geology in EPFO.
Instead of
Just tell me the practical application of this thing. Can we establish any correlation?
so right now I am not able to establish.
Tell me the evolutionary development of the EPFO from very beginning to present time.
So EPFO was formed in 1952 under the EPS Act 1951.
Yes, please. Who is Central Provident Fund Commissioner?
So currently it is Neelam Samirao. She is an actress of 1992 batch.
IPS or IAS?
She is IAS of 1992.
IAS.
Of MP cadet.
Okay. We are going high. See, the population in our country is going high. And as a geologist, you might have studied about the fertility rate.
Yes, sir.
I am not getting what exactly this fertility rate is. Will you explain, please?
Sir, we talk about this TFR, total fertility rate. It is just a number of people per couple in the country. Currently, sir, it is around 1.97.
1.97. Okay. How we come to this point?
The TFR.
TFR. Based on what? Total number of 1,000 people, 100 people.
So it is like how much children to for one couple in the country, per couple.
Okay. Is that the exact way to come up to fertility rate? No. Should we go ahead? See, stem cell is in news. What exactly the stem cell is?
This also I have to study. This also I have to study, sir.
Okay, you are not studying. Have you studied SAIL?
Yes, sir.
What is SAIL?
The circular and functional unit of life.
Okay. How the animal cell is different from the human being?
So, animal cell has a cell membrane. Cell membrane where plant. Animal cells, what you asked?
Animals and human being.
Animal cell?
Human being, like we. Are we animal?
Of course, we are animals.
We are animal. Do you suppose you are animal?
Yes, sir. We are one of the most advanced type of animal.
Okay, what advanced qualities you have?
So we can think. We can feel.
So we can call any common human being that you are animal.
So in terms of biology, we are animal. But in general sense,
But people are not accepting. Call him Janwar. Will they accept?
People will not accept.
Huh? Okay, we are going right. You are good on that point. See, when I glanced over your DAF, I had noticed that you are from Balia.
Yes.
Tell me the 5 distinct qualities of the Balia.
So we call Balia a revolutionary Balia because of the freedom struggles or freedom effort which the people of Balia had done. Especially in 1942, the Balia got its freedom from the British for 2 days. That is from 20th of August to 22nd of August, 1942.
Okay. 1942.
Yes, sir.
And why it was historic?
Because during the Quit India movement, it is among the one of the cities that got independence from the British.
Who was the leader from Balia at that time?
So Chitu Pandey.
Chittu Pandey.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Again, you have said that you have worked in certain NGOs also
Yes, sir.
when you were discussing with the sir. Can you tell me how registration of NGOs, how the NGOs are registered in
So
the
NGO
country?
is registered in the Society 1860.
18,
60. 1860.
right? Sure?
Yes, sir. 100%.
100%. Okay. And what about the company?
The companies are formed in the Indian Company Act 2013.
2013. Okay. And your hobby is diary writing.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the any page of your diary which you don't want to disclose with anyone.
So there are many pages like where I just write my personal feeling and thoughts and expressions which I don't want to share with anyone, or some of the embarrassing moment of my life.
And suppose you want, you have to share some incident which you might have written in your diary. Then what would be that incident?
So since I just now said that the accident which took place while I was traveling to Kanpur.
Okay. So that is the only experience, or you have more
More
experiences?
experiences. Recently, sir, I went to Munsiari. They also written the points. It's a beautiful place and about the people and other things.
And then your another hobby is traveling also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm giving you a situation. Suppose you are on traveling and you are writing your diary. Suddenly what happens? There were certain kind of mishaps or accident and you lost your diary.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you have lost that confidential page as well. Now what will you do?
So I will just try to, first of all, I will try to recollect the things which I have written.
No, but the diary will be taken by because that is one of the confidential information
Yes, sir.
which you might have written, and it is taken by someone else. Then
So I have the habit of just saving my diary to my Gmail account.
so you write digitally.
No, sir, I write on diary, but I have the habit of taking photos and saving it to my.
What is your password of Gmail?
It's a L capital LUCKY 1289 @.
Thank you very much.
Sir, that's the wrong password I have told you.
Okay, thank you.
रजनीश आप बोल रहे थे कि आप कास्ट वगैरह से बहुत ज़्यादा प्रभावित हैं, ओशो के मतलब कास्ट वगैरह को बहुत ज़्यादा डिमांड करते हैं। आपके नाम में दीक्षित लगा हुआ है,
Yes, sir.
आप खुद नाम दीक्षित रखे हुए हैं, आप खुद को
Sir,
खुद के
that's
name-
what I got from my parents.
इसको
from
तो
my ancestors.
इसको आप हटा भी सकते थे।
So, I
वो
was
तो
always
न्यूज़पेपर में दे करके आप इस चीज़ को हटा सकते हैं। इवन आप
Sir, if
जब अपना परिचय दिया तो उसमें भी रजनीश परिचय दिया।
Sir, because that's the name I have in my all the records.
आप
And sir, I will be
रजनीश भी
happy.
बोल
I will be very happy to give my name.
सकते- आप रजनीश भी बोल सकते हैं।
But sir, I have that name in my all the this mark sheets and all. So that's
मतलब
why.
आप उस पर आपने कहा कि आप प्राउड करते हैं।
But sir, I don't pay attention to that Dixit title.
Dikshit ji, just tell me. I'm sorry, sir. I'm interrupting. Can India be caste-free society?
So
If yes, then give 5 points.
It's
No,
really-
then give 5 points.
it's really very hard.
Give me the 5 points in favor and in against.
First of all, in against
You are going against or for?
first I'm going against
Okay. Now take your
because
step.
there is a lot of discrimination in the society from the upper caste and lower caste. Secondly, sir, the political use of the society. The people are divided on the caste. Third thing is this female reservation policy, which is also creating a problem between the
Okay, thank you. Okay. We will call you. The comment is over, we will call you.